Hey, welcome back to my channel. After spending weeks working on my MGST Wing Gundam, I honestly needed a little break. So I reached into my backlog and picked something much easier. The high-grade 1144 GM3 in Acid Shock image color. This is a Gundam Sci-F exclusive, and I actually picked it up earlier this year at the Animate North Patmo store. It's been a while since I've built a GM kit, and it's nice to come back to one. This time I want to build something more relaxing, so I will just do a quick snap build. Alright, let's get into it. Compared to the original GM3, the Acid Shock version got a unique metallic olive and bronze color scheme. They may not be the flashiest mobile suits, but there's something about the classic Federation design that I really like. This is the gun prime and glass file I use for snap builds. It cleans up nubs without leaving scratches. And my favorite Tamiya side cutter. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I always mix up the left and right arms and legs. Normally, I wouldn't notice until the very end. And there's one thing I wasn't a fan of, the stickers. Haven't seen these old school polycaps in a while. Wait, where's the rifle piece? Oh, it's still on the runner. This build is pretty straightforward, just like any regular high grade, and I really like this metallic finish Bandai gave this Acid Shock version. The only downside is there are no undergates, and you are going to be sanding a lot if you are aiming for a nice clean build. I know there's still a few nut marks here and there, but for just a straight build, I'm pretty happy for how it turned out. In the end, it was a fun and relaxing build. Not every project has to be a huge painted masterpiece. Let me know what you think of this GM and which version is your favorite so far. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.